So today in this video, I would like to share how we can wire the push on and off the switch. So there is a 5 terminal pin here. So why we have this 5 pin and the function is just on and off. Alright, so I'm going to explain this very simple. If you already know, then you will understand all kind of the push on and off switch. Alright, so this is basically push on, push off. So one time you press, they will be on. Then the second time you press again, then they will be off. So why we have 5 pin here? So basically there is the body light. So the first 2 pin, the left and right, is for the body light switch. So we have to make sure this switch is how many voltage. So there is already indicate here, this is 12 volt. So this switch is only we light up for the 12 volt. So to clear that, once you already apply the 12 volt to this switch, then the light will be turned on. Alright, so we want to make sure that this switch, where is the on and off the button, where is the on and off the pins. So to test, we have to select to the buzzer mode so that we can identify which one is on and off. Alright, so here in the bottom pins here, you will see C. So C stands for common, and NO stands for normally open, and NC stands for normally closed. So C is common and NO is normally open. So normally open, once you press, the switch will be turned on. Once you press again, the switch will be turned off. And common to normally close, that will be reversed. Before you press, there is already connectivity. Once you press, then become open circuit. So the most common use is common to normally open. Push to on, push to off. If you use in this position, this will act like emergency button. Alright, so we have to very clear about this pin. Common to normally open, this is on and off. Alright, and this, the left pin and the right pin is for the light of the body. If you didn't use the pin, this 2 light pin, you can use this switch as 12 volt or 24 volt and 240 volt, any voltage. But they design this 12 volt is to have the 12 volt light indicator. Right, so how we can wire? For the simple way to use, I'm going to use this is 12 volt indicator light, and so if 12 volt indicator light I'm going to use for my power source will be 12 volt. So I'm going to use for here this 12 volt battery, 12 volt battery, positive in, negative in, positive, so negative and positive, then the light is on. Right, before I use the switch, there is the light here. There is a battery. So negative wire directly will come to the negative of the light, and the positive wire will come to the positive of the light. So the light will be turned on. If I remove the battery, and the light will be turned off. If I connect back the battery, then the light will be turned on. So why we need the switch is instead of removing all the cable from the battery, we're going to use for the switch. So this position, we cut a positive wire in the middle here for safety purpose. Remove one battery from the battery, and this is why we call the common. So the common wire connect to from the battery, come in and connect to the common, and the other side connect to normally open. Then we connect back to the battery. Alright, I hope you can see this wire. Okay, so now positive in, positive out, and the negative wire is directly connected to the loop, which is the light. Right, so if I turn on the switch here, then the light is turned on. But the switch body is not turned on because I didn't use any I didn't use the 12 volt positive and negative from the body of the switch here. So in this way you can use not only 12 volt, you can use 12 volt, 24 volt or 240 volt because you didn't bother about the body of the light switch. So this is a very simple way that mostly the people use. Alright, so by right, why they designed this switch as for 5 pin is I'm going to connect different position. So I'm going to remove it here. So first, from the battery power source, positive wire, we come into common. And the positive from the common, we loop to positive of the switch LED. Alright, so I hope you clear this. And the other positive wire we connect to normally opens. Right, so already connect to normally opens, and we connect to the loop. And the negative wire I need to remove from the battery first for safety. I don't want to spark it. And the negative wire will connect to the negative of the switch, right? And then we connect to, right, so the wiring is complete, and we're gonna connect to the battery source. So all the times the light will be turning on. No matter you push on, you push off, the body light will be turned on. So the second way, in this position, we remove battery source first. So this position, common in, right? The common in, which is from the positive here, common in, and up from the normally opened, and we loop to positive, and from the normally opened we connect to the loops. Then we connect to the battery. So this time once you press on, then the light will be turned on, and this light will be turned on. So this switch in this position, you can turn on only one loop. Alright, so if you didn't use this indicator and the relay, if you connect to the relay, which is 12 volt, you have to see the pins number here. So pin number 13 and pin number 14. So where's the pin number 13 and pin number 14? Here's pin number 13 and 14. These two is the required. So there is no positive and negative in the relay coil here. Some of the relay they will put positive and negative, but most of the relay they will not. So either side you can put it. Right, so if I turn on the switch here, then the relay will be turned on. So in this case you can use you can make it two output. So from here you can make two output, one for the light and the other one for the DC motor. Alright, so I hope you understand and I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.